This is just an update, LZ2AOV. I've installed the Butternut, where we go, just over there, Butternut 2-band HF2V hustler, and the hustler there 6B TV, and the two towers. So that's what I've been doing over the last couple of weeks. Still got some more beams are all to put on there. Got to put the head mount on that tower. I've got to measure all the ultra beam element lengths and put that on this first tower. So yeah, lots to do. So that's just the update, because I've just done the cabling to the Comet, or Hustler, sorry, and the Butternut this morning, and SWR's very good, so I'll be testing them out today. Yeah, so that's just the enjoyment of doing antennas and towers. So around the side here, there's me Comet, there's me other tower, and just over there's my boom for my 6-element tri-band that's going to go on this tower. Just got to do the elements as well, and in there is some more collinears, verticals, and mass poles. So yeah, LZ2AOV is doing antennas, so got to get them done before next year, or next year latest. So there is my full-size G5 RV, and that's just one part of my ZS6, and just there over the roof in the tree. So yeah, everything's happening here all at once, but there you go, fun doing antennas, isn't it? LZ2AOV.